Hey everyone, friends. Welcome to Valor's channel. Today I'll show how to install shaders for Minecraft 1, 21.5 and up. First, we need Fabric Minecraft. Let's download it for 1.25. Click Download, Download for Windows. Here we go, downloading. Download Universal Jar. Yes, that works too. We'll also need AP. Yes, let's click. Click Download. And we need one, 21.5 in this case. Click Download. Next, we need sodium, iris, and complementary shaders. Well, these are my shaders. You can download others if you prefer. Here, click Download. Again, we need one, 21.5 here. Click Download, and here click Download, also for one, 21.5. Alright, I'm clicking Download. Now we wait. Downloads are starting. Okay. Next, this file, then this file, and finally AP itself. Now we need to open Minecraft Launcher. Then we need to install Fabric itself. For this, go to Downloads. Here's the download. Let's go install Fabric. We're selecting version 1, 21.5 in my case, and clicking Install. Click Yes. Close it. Here we choose Fabric 1, 21.5. Now we have Fabric Loader 1.2, 1.5, comma, click Installations. Here we click where it says 1.2, 1.5, comma. In my case, yes, open the Installations folder. We need to open the Mods folder here. Now, there it is. Drop all 3 files here. After that, close the folder and launch Minecraft. Then Minecraft starts up. Click Settings. Here we need video settings, shaders. And here we already have, yes, our shader. It's my old one. If your shader isn't here, just drag it over and it'll appear. Then click on it and it'll be activated. Choose whichever you need. Now click Done. That's it. Well, that's all. This was Valor with you. Goodbye, everyone.